Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports Xpedition Sun Visor and Mounting Kit. This kit fits the 2024 Plus Polaris Xpedition 2 and 4-door models. Install time is around 30 minutes. Can easily be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's take a look at the mounting brackets. This is the passenger side bracket, as the tall end of the bracket goes towards the center of the vehicle, with the 90-degree angle facing downward. This bracket is the driver's side visor mount. Now, let's pre-assemble the mounts to the visors. Both visors are the same, so it doesn't matter which one you start with. With the visor face down on a towel, or soft material, as to not scratch the visor, hold the bracket with the 90-degree angle pointed downward, lift up, and align the visor tabs with the bracket, as you see here. Next, insert the 6mm Allen bolts, which insert from the countersink side, thread on the backing nuts, then, tighten down the backing hardware, using a 17mm wrench. This tightening process can take a bit of time, due to space being limited, so be patient, and all will look good when done. Now, grab the other visor, and repeat the process. Just remember, the mounting bracket will be reversed, with the long end on the other side. Make sure the 90-degree angle is still facing downward. Once tightened down, the visors are ready to be installed. Now, using a T40 Torx bit, remove these bolts in the headliner, on each side. We have opened up the windshield, to make it easier to access and install the visors. Next, grab the visor bracket, and slide it in between the headliner and the body, with the long end of the bracket, toward the middle of the vehicle. Now, line up the mounting holes, and rethread in a T40 factory bolt. Then, line up the other hole and do the same. Once they are in, tighten them down, as you can see here. Next, do the same to the other side of the vehicle, as you see here. That's it, your visors are ready to block out that sun. Congrats, that completes your DRT Xpedition Sun Visor Kit install. The Polaris Xpedition Sun Visor Kit provides shielding and shade to block glare while driving into the sun. The Sun Visor Kit uses our Polaris Xpedition Adapter Kit to attach to the front crossbar of the cage assembly. The adapter kit is made of laser cut, formed, and welded aluminum plate to provide a secure mounting for the visor assembly. The visor's billet aluminum components which secure the thick tinted abrasion-resistant polycarbonate shield. Laser cut contrast plates provide the finishing touch and can easily be color matched to your vehicle build colors. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.